In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the color of any image in Canva. By the end, you'll know two reliable methods. One that's perfect for strong monochrome and logo style effects, and another that's great for subtle tints and tonal shifts to match your design. Let's start with the duotone method, which is best when you want a clean, uniform color or a bold branded look. First, open your design, then select your image and click Edit Photo. In the panel that appears, scroll until you find the Effects tab and choose Duotone. You'll see a range of presets that instantly transform your image using two colors. If you want full control, click Custom. Here, you can choose your own colors for highlights and shadows. Highlights affect the lighter parts of the image while shadows affect the darker areas. If you set both to the exact same color, you'll get a solid single color effect that's perfect for icons, logos, or background graphics where you want consistency across your project. Feel free to experiment with different color pairs to maintain depth. Or go all in with a single tone for that polished, minimalist finish. Now let's look at the Adjust method, which is ideal for tinting and fine-tuning the overall tone without completely flattening the image. Select the image again and click Edit Photo. This time, go to the Adjust tab. Here, scroll to find Color Edit, or use the sliders like Temperature, Tint, and Saturation to alter the image color and mood. Temperature shifts the image warmer or cooler. Tint nudges colors toward green or magenta, and saturation controls how intense the colors appear. Small, incremental changes often look the most professional. For example, a gentle push toward a brand color can make images feel cohesive without overpowering details like skin tones or product textures. If your image starts to look unnatural, simply ease back the sliders until it blends smoothly with the rest of your design. That's it. Thanks for watching.